This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add slide numbers to your slides in Google Slides. Here I have a slideshow with 6 slides, including the first slide, which is a title slide, and suppose I want to add slide numbers to my slides. This is how you do that. Highlight the slides to which you want to add your numbers, then click Insert, then select Slide Numbers. When you do this, you'll have the ability to turn this on or off, and you also are able to skip the title slide. Maybe you don't want the title slide, which is the slide on the screen, to be slide 1. You want the actual slide with content to be slide 1. And then you can either apply slide numbers to the selected slides or all of the slides by clicking Apply. And when you do that, you now see that slide numbers are in the lower right-hand corner of each slide. You can edit the size or the font of these numbers by highlighting them and then playing with the sizes. Unfortunately, it looks like you have to change the font on each slide if you choose to do that, but it is possible to edit what those slide numbers look like. So this video shows you how to add slide numbers to your slides in Google Slides. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful tips in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.